And then there's almost the more boring part of what we wear in everyday life that you wouldn't want to be recognised and wear in a game for. So I feel like there's those three different aspects to it: experimental, middle, and then boring.
When you adapt technology, 3D rendering, computerized patterns, then that instantly speed up all the process.
I want to create some sustainable innovations for these industries, and my aim goal is to help this industry do not overproduce.
I'll talk about Walmart again as well. It's interesting, you obviously do their distribution and manufacturing for them. So they were the first store in Roblox to be able to connect their Shopify.
Direct from factories, and then the design side, and now we're in 3D, so it's kind of like a kind of
It sounds like we are very conservative and we are very slow on adapting the change, but then on the other hand, because of the concept that we wanted to hold on to the traditional way of clothes making and very primitive kind of aspect to it.
Right now, what we're trying to do, and we're actually literally working on, is that we are collaborating with some of the companies that try to train the fashion-owned libraries.
Directions in the future, I really want to do something like this to change the whole consumer behaviors and industries.
And we're really about how we can make fashion less exclusive, open to everybody to be a fashion designer, breaking down those barriers, doing that through automated, personalised technology, so you could come and design a garment, have that posted on social media, get validation, put it in a game, see if it sells, and then make it in an agile supply chain.